There is a Scotland you think you know, a Scotland often depicted in glossy brochures and travel guides. It's a land of familiar images, instantly recognizable and widely celebrated. But this is just the surface, a carefully curated glimpse of a much deeper, richer, and more enigmatic reality. Castles perched on dramatic cliffs, their ancient stones whispering tales of battles and royalty, locks mirroring the sky, their still waters reflecting the majestic mountains that surround them, and the haunting sound of bagpipes echoing through the glens, a timeless melody that evokes a sense of history and romance. These are the iconic symbols of Scotland, the ones that draw visitors from around the globe. But beyond the postcard lies a secret Scotland, a hidden realm of untamed beauty and ancient mysteries. It's a place where the veil between worlds seems thin, where the echoes of the past resonate in the present, and where the true spirit of Scotland resides. This secret is whispered on the wind, carried on the salty air that sweeps across the Western Isles, a chain of islands scattered like jewels in the Atlantic. These islands, remote and rugged, hold a unique magic, a sense of timelessness that is both captivating and humbling. Here, time deepens, slowing to a pace dictated by the tides and the turning of the seasons. The ancient stones stand as silent witnesses to centuries of history, their weathered surfaces bearing the marks of time and the secrets of generations past. And the modern world fades into the rhythm of tides and seasons, a gentle ebb and flow that shapes the landscape and the lives of those who call it home. The constant presence of the sea, the ever-changing light, and the raw power of nature create a sense of connection to something larger than ourselves. This is not a land of grand monuments, of opulent palaces and elaborate displays of wealth, but of ancient stones, standing sentinel against the sky, and landscapes sculpted by nature's artistry, a testament to the enduring power of wind, water, and time. The beauty here is understated, subtle, and all the more profound for its simplicity. It's a place to reconnect, to find solace in the vastness of the landscape and the quiet rhythm of nature. Not with Wi-Fi, with the constant hum of technology, but with something essential within yourself, a sense of inner peace and clarity that can only be found in the absence of distractions. It's a chance to unplug, to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with the natural world. Our journey is for the curious soul, the one who seeks more than just a superficial experience, the one who seeks to feel a place, to truly understand its essence, not just see it through the lens of a camera. It's about engaging with the landscape on a deeper level, connecting with its history, its culture, and its people. We'll travel to the edges of the map, to those remote corners of Scotland that are often overlooked by mainstream tourism, to islands that hold the soul of Scotland in their rugged embrace, islands shaped by the forces of nature and steeped in history and tradition. Each island is a character, a unique and individual entity with its own distinct personality, with its own secrets and stories etched in stone and soil, whispered on the wind, and carried in the hearts of its people. These are stories of resilience, of community, and of a deep connection to the land. This is about immersing ourselves in a world of breathtaking beauty and profound tranquility that operates on a different frequency, a slower, more deliberate pace that allows us to truly appreciate the present moment, where beauty lies in simplicity, in the subtle details of the landscape, in the warmth of the people, and in the quiet moments of reflection. And the untamed spirit of Scotland's western frontier, a spirit of independence, resilience, and a deep connection to the land. Let the journey begin, and let us discover the secret Scotland that awaits us. The Hebrides are a chain of over 50 inhabited islands, each a unique thread in Scotland's tapestry. We'll explore the Outer Hebrides, Na H Ileanan and Iar, where land stands bravely against the Atlantic. Island hopping here is the essence of the experience, each ferry ride a gentle transition to a new world. The sea shapes everything, the land, the people, the journey. Each island has its own charm, from jagged mountains to flat, peat-rich moorland. The Gaelic language and local traditions thrive here, woven into daily life. Island hopping unlocks this captivating world, letting you piece together the grand puzzle of the Hebrides, one island at a time. Our story begins not in a bustling metropolis or a well-trodden tourist destination, but in a place where the rhythm of life is dictated by the tides and the whispers of the wind. We find ourselves on the Isle of Barra, a jewel in the Outer Hebrides, a remote and captivating island that feels like stepping back in time. Here, the journey is as unique as the destination, where you land not on tarmac, the familiar concrete of modern airports, but on the shimmering sands of Tre Moor, a vast and beautiful beach that doubles as the island's runway. It's an experience that immediately connects you to the raw, untamed beauty of Barra. The runway is washed clean by the tide twice a day, a reminder that nature is always in charge, dictating the schedules and shaping the landscape with its relentless power. It's a humbling experience, a testament to the forces that have sculpted this unique island. Barra's turquoise waters, reminiscent of the Caribbean, and white beaches are breathtaking, and often deserted, offering a sense of solitude and escape that is increasingly rare in our modern world. You can wander for miles without encountering another soul. Walk the coast with only seabirds, their cries echoing in the vast open sky, and seals for company basking lazily on the rocks, their watchful eyes following your every move. Let the gentle sound of waves lapping the shore fill your ears, and feel the peace settle over you, washing away the stresses and anxieties of everyday life. Castle Bay, the main village, a charming hub of local life, is watched over by Kissimmel Castle, a fortress on a rocky islet, a sentinel standing guard over the centuries. Take a boat to explore its ancient walls, feel the weight of history in the stones, and imagine the lives of chieftains past, their power struggles, and their enduring legacy. Beyond the village, crofts and hamlets dot the landscape, small pockets of civilization nestled amidst the rugged terrain, where sheep graze on wildflower-rich mashare, a unique coastal grassland ecosystem, and time seems to slow, allowing you to truly disconnect from the outside world and reconnect with yourself. Barra encourages you to breathe deeply and appreciate the harmony of sky, the ever-changing canvas of clouds and light, sea, the vast expanse of the Atlantic stretching out to the horizon, and sand, the soft golden beaches that invite you to wander and explore. It's not just a place, it's a feeling of pure tranquility, a sense of belonging to something larger than yourself, a reminder of the simple beauty that exists in the world. From Barra, we journey north to Harris, a land of dramatic contrasts. The west coast boasts Luscantire Beach, pristine white sand, turquoise waters, and distant blue mountains. The colors shift with the light, and on a quiet day, you might feel you have the world to yourself. The east is rugged and rocky, shaped by millennia of wind and waves. North Harris's mountains offer wild, rewarding hikes and sweeping views. Silence here is profound, broken only by the cry of an eagle or the wind in the heather. Harris is also home to Harris Tweed, hand-woven by islanders and infused with the colors of the land. Visit a weaver's loom and witness artistry passed down through generations. Each piece of tweed is a tangible piece of the island's soul. Harris is a symphony of sand, stone, and tradition. Connected to Harris, the Isle of Uist reveals another side of the Hebrides. Here, rolling moorland and countless lochs set the stage for ancient history. The Callanish Standing Stones, older than Stonehenge, stand in silent mystery. No one knows their true purpose. Mist from the Atlantic shrouds the stones, connecting you to those who raised them millennia ago. Restored black houses with thick stone walls and thatched roofs tell stories of resilience and resourcefulness. The cliffs at the butt of Uist are wild and spectacular, where the Atlantic crashes against ancient rocks. Seabirds cry overhead, and sheep graze near the edge of the world. Uist speaks of endurance, tradition, and a deep bond between people and land. South of Uist, North Uist offers a softer, more contemplative beauty. The landscape is a mosaic of lochs and moorland where land and water blur together. It's a paradise for those seeking peace and a deep connection with nature. Wander single-track roads, surrounded by shimmering lochs and subtle colors. The RSPB Balranald Nature Reserve is a haven for birdlife, including the rare corncrake. Watch geese take flight at sunset or oyster catchers dart along the shore. North Uist's magic lies in its quiet, understated beauty and profound peace. The beaches are stunningly white and often empty, perfect for reflection. Here you can truly unwind, lost in a gentle, watery dream world. For a spiritual journey, take a short ferry from Mull to the sacred Isle of Iona. Tiny but influential, Iona has been a center of Christian worship for over 1,400 years. St. Columba founded a monastery here, spreading faith across Scotland. The restored Iona Abbey remains a living place of worship and contemplation. The island itself feels like a sanctuary, simple, quiet, and deeply spiritual. Walk to Dunwine for panoramic views or visit the Bay of the Coracles, where Columba first landed. Iona's beaches are beautiful, with multicolored pebbles and white sands facing the Atlantic. Iona is a place for reflection, a peaceful chord in our Hebridean symphony. Visiting the Hebrides is straightforward, but a little planning goes a long way. The best time is May to September, when days are long and wildflowers bloom. Pack insect repellent for the midges, though coastal breezes often keep them away. Ferries connect the islands. Book in advance, especially with a car. Hopscotch tickets let you create your own island hopping adventure. A car is convenient, but cycling is a wonderful way to explore the flat terrain. Respect the islands as living communities. Follow the outdoor access code and leave no trace. By traveling thoughtfully, you help preserve the Hebrides' unique beauty for generations to come. Our journey through the Hebrides draws to a close. A chapter ends, but these islands, with their ancient stories whispered on the wind, will linger in your memory long after you've departed. They become a part of you. You'll recall the unique experience of a plane landing on a beach, the soft give of the sand beneath the wheels, a testament to the Hebrides' unique charm. You'll remember the ancient stones of Callanish, standing sentinel against the sky, whispering tales of forgotten rituals and ancient connections, and the seemingly endless vast sands of Luscantyre, where the turquoise waters meet the pristine white shore, creating a landscape that feels almost otherworldly. The Hebrides quietly rearrange your perspective, shifting your focus and allowing you to see the world through a different lens. They are teaching you to notice the small details often overlooked, the delicate beauty of a wildflower, and to truly appreciate the profound power of silence. Each island, unique in its character and charm, offers its own distinct magic, its own story to tell. Together, they are forming a symphony of landscapes and experiences, a harmonious blend of rugged beauty and tranquil serenity. This journey changes you. It's more than just a trip. It's a transformation. It's slowing your pulse, allowing you to breathe deeper, sharpening your senses to the subtle nuances of the natural world. And it's reminding you of a simpler way of being, a life lived in harmony with nature, away from the noise and distractions of the modern world. You leave with more than just photographs to show, more than just memories to recount. You carry within you a profound sense of peace and a deep connection to something ancient, something enduring and undeniably real. The islands give you a quiet space within your heart, a sanctuary of calm. It's a gift to return to whenever the world feels too loud, too chaotic, a place of solace to find your center again. The most profound adventures, the ones that truly change us, often unfold slowly, revealing their secrets gradually. They happen in wild and beautiful places, far from the beaten path, at the very edge of the world, where the boundaries between land and sea blur. As you reflect on your time here, you'll begin to understand the true essence of the Hebrides. Sometimes the quietest places, the most seemingly desolate landscapes, leave the loudest, most lasting echo in your soul, resonating long after you've left. Until next time, may the enduring spirit of the Hebrides, its wild beauty and tranquil peace, guide you onward in all your future endeavors.